Hey, Mike Rigley, Certified Default Advocate, Distressed Property Expert, and Short Sale Specialist here. Welcome to our video blog. As default advocates and short sale specialists, we want homeowners to know all their options. Whether you're behind in your payments, possibly facing foreclosure, or maybe you just owe more than your home is worth, we're here to help. Here's great encouragement for those of you with Bank of America or old Countrywide loans. If you're interested in a short sale and qualify, short sale specialists like myself are now getting Bank of America short sales approved in as little as 30 days, sometimes less. A recent short sale we completed included a family who had an income reduction for sure, but the true hardship was the property was now worth 50% of what they paid for the home in 2005, and like many, their expenses increased over the years. We spent about 6 weeks, which is about 2 weeks longer than normal for us, to find a qualified buyer. Part of the additional time to find the buyer was that this was a $700,000 property. Had it been a $150,000 or $250,000 home, we would have had a buyer in less than 2 weeks. Once we had qualified the buyer and all parties agreed to the counteroffer, we submitted what we refer to as a perfect short sale package. When we say perfect, we refer to a short sale package that's so complete that the negotiator does not need to ask us for anything else. Everything they need to determine the seller's qualifications are right at their fingertips. With the perfect package in hand, our Bank of America negotiator ordered the appraisal right away. Because we understand what the banks are willing to accept, and we had no problem getting the correct value for the property. We were not at the top of the area's values, but we certainly were not way under fair market value either. With value in hand and all the seller qualifications met, our last task was to negotiate with the third lien. Yes, they had a first, second, and third lien holder on the property. We have successfully negotiated thirds on properties from $70,000 to this one all the way up at $700,000 and all in between. With approval from all three lien holders, we are now in process of closing the escrow. And oh, by the way, the seller did not have to contribute one single dime to the closing. When you hear the horrors of short sales never getting approved or taking years to do, keep this story in mind. Our typical submission to approval time is 42 days with a 97% success rate, as compared to the national average of 90 days and 40% success rate. The moral of the story, know your options, and if short sale is right for you, then know there is a difference when choosing a short sale agent. Give us a call at the number below for a free confidential consultation. Call me today, sleep better tonight, you'll be glad you did. We'll see you soon. Thanks.